What's up, y'all? It's your girl Naya back with another video. So I'm back with my best friend. I ain't never told me your name in the last video, so
My name is Omni.
alright. So we finna be doing the pancake drawing challenge. Oh no, we just finna try to draw things with pancake batter. So first we finna start off with the laughing emoji.
I can't even draw a circle.
Okay,
Hey,
what do it look like? Okay, so then I'm gonna do the. Okay, he cooking a little fast.
Right, we didn't think about this. Alright, period. Oh, so that's how you was gonna do it? I'm thinking, so is it not gonna be able to show up on mine then?
It's just gonna be on the other side when you flip it.
Oh. Why does it look like he got something on the side? Okay, no.
You want to start over?
This is
I'm
terrible.
over here shaking.
I don't think I care enough to start over. Because this is
Y'all, I'm
funny.
going crazy.
She really is for real. Oh my god. They're gonna be like, this is a huge difference. Here,
Let me see.
I think he snapped.
Okay, period. I'm finna go over my yellow.
Ooh. Ooh. I don't know what those was. Period.
I wasn't just supposed to fill that in with yellow, but I don't care.
They burnt.
At this point, they are really burnt.
Should I show them what mine look like? See, look, I think
Okay,
this
wait,
is
we
good.
gotta do a comparison.
I think that's good.
Ooh, y'all, it's a little burnt. But
it's there.
it's there.
It's there.
Okay, so we gotta work a little quicker.
Yes.
Bam. It started to fall apart.
Sit down.
It started to fall apart. But I did it. Alright. Oh.
Period. Some is still funny to him because he's still laughing. Okay.
Now we finna make SpongeBob. I don't know how this about to go. But we finna do it.
It look
I
crooked.
think I'm gonna do. Okay. Bet. You need the black.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Okay, period. I don't know why I got this spatula in my hand. Like it's about to help me right now. His eyes big.
I don't really think there's a way to make his nose for real.
At this point, it's gonna be drawn in yellow. This is sad.
For real, though. Look at his eyelashes. Period, sir. He's snapping. I need something like that.
Oh my god. He got a lot of details.
Why he got the minks on today like that?
He went crazy on them. Y'all, I'm a little scared. Where did black go?
Right
Oh.
here. It's starting to cook.
It's starting to burn.
Oh, yeah, mine is burnt.
His pants was definitely not supposed to all be brown, but it's going to be. This cook. Okay. Well, I guess we're gonna see what happens. Are we drawing the legs?
Mm-mm. I don't think we got it.
SpongeBob going through it.
For real. And then look how mine flipped over. On the edge.
All right. You can't even see mine. Oh my god. Okay, despite the fact that he don't got a mouth, I went crazy.
See, he got other features on the other side, but on this side, he ain't got nothing.
Dude. His little spots started to show up and everything. I was going crazy. I forgot he needed a mouth. All right. His booty fell off, but
Bro, mine's like a robot.
okay, despite the fact that they don't have mouths.
He still got his pants a little bit. They coming off, but
At least they own a little bit.
a little bit.
Okay, we cool. All right, so now we finna do Mr. Krabs. Ooh. Do we do the eyes
I'm gonna do
first?
the eyes. Yeah.
Okay.
We only have one black.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Oh my god, here. Wait. You can go. Because I'm gonna spray this. Period. Why is she always trying to do something? Oh, period.
We get in there.
So,
Okay, that really wasn't supposed to be red.
okay, y'all don't doubt the process.
Can Can you hand me the black? I don't know what I'm gonna use black for.
This whole blue gone. Okay, wait. This just got intense.
How are we gonna flip him over with his eyes like this?
I don't even know. How am I gonna do his mouth? Oh God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. What's the white? Oh, I'm slow. Can I just?
His eyes is about to be terrible.
They about to burn off. Okay, well, we're gonna see what happened. The flip killed him a little bit. Okay.
Definitely looks scary.
A little terrifying.
Yes. But this is definitely a character.
Yo, I have pancake batter all on me. I'm really tired of this. Just let it sit. All right, well, this is my Mr. Krabs. Okay, he a little, we just not gonna talk about it. Okay.
We're not even gonna talk about mines for real.
They're just, that was that. Who do you think won?
Definitely you. Look at he can't even keep his eyes together.
All right, so I won that.
But I'm also
You over here trying to eat. Come finish this video.
Okay, let me tell y'all how his eye tastes. Scrumptious.
The other one?
What are you eating, Becca?
Scrumptious.
Right, that's it for this video. Okay, I'm gonna catch y'all next week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Send it to your friends. Turn on your post notifications. Send it to your grandma, your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, your baby sister. I don't care.
Your baby daddy. He could watch it too.
He can. All right. Send it to everybody. We over here burning the eye. And that's it. Deuces.